Let's make a cinnamon daiquiri. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a cinnamon daiquiri. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hi. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. Hi to you as well. In either case, I hope you enjoyed this cocktail. A daiquiri, in order to be a daiquiri, has to have three things. It has to have lime juice, it has to have rum, and it has to have sugar. Note that there are some people that think a daiquiri can have lemon juice instead of lime. I'm not one of those people. But I'm not a historian either, so maybe there's some truth to that. In any case, you can really only change the flavor of one of those three things if you're going to make a flavored daiquiri. It's tough to change the flavor of the lime juice unless you're doing lemon juice. You can change the flavor of the rum, or you can change the flavor of the sugar. And when I'm making a flavored daiquiri, I almost always change the flavor of the sugar. In this case, I'm going to be using some cinnamon syrup. And this cinnamon syrup is my own recipe. The recipe is here on the channel. Feel free to check it out. The link is down below. It'll also be at the end of the video if you want to make it at home for yourself. A note on the rum. This is a daiquiri, so the best rum to use is going to be a white rum, a Cuban-style rum. I'm going to be using Trader Joe's Rum of the Gods. If you want a better daiquiri, you can choose a different rum if you so desire. To make this drink, we're going to start with our rum. 2 ounces of rum, 60 milliliters. One ounce of your cinnamon syrup. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And your lime juice. My wife likes 1 ounce of lime juice in hers. I like 3/4 of an ounce. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. I'll leave it up to you which you do. Add your ice and give it a shake. I'm going to single strain this into my coupe. I'm using an Anderson Ancestral coupe. If you have an Ancestral coupe, feel free to use that or any coupe of your choice. Garnish. It is a daiquiri, so a lime wheel is very appropriate. I'm not going to be garnishing today. I'm going to drink it as is. So there you have it. A cinnamon daiquiri. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Do you like flavored daiquiris? If so, what is your favorite flavor? Leave it in the comments down below. I'd love to know. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you want one, you can have one. All you have to do is contact me through the social media links down below and we'll make sure you get one. And while you're at that social media link, might as well follow me on one of those. And finally, if you've made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe so you can see more daiquiris or more drinks with rum in general. And otherwise, that's it. Cheers.